together. Your love and understanding has brought us through stormy weather. I must admit, girl, I haven't always been good, but you stuck by me just like you said you would. Hey, I know not enough is enough, but you shouldn't be talking about giving it up, yeah. Turning loose, it might be right, it seems. The wrong decision will spoil our dreams. So if you don't want, we spoil our secret dreams. Don't change horses in the middle of a stream. Giddy up, giddy up, how, yeah, yeah. Giddy up, how, silver. Too many things I thought I had to do, but if I hurt you, baby, I'll make it up to you. Father, Father, we don't need to escalate. War is not the answer, for it's only love conquer hate. You know I gotta find a way to bring some loving here today. Picket line, picket sign, don't you punish me with brutality. Talk to me so you can see